Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn off audio emoji on your Google Pixel 10. So first, what you guys want to do is enter the phone app. Now after you enter it, you go over here to those three lines, go to the settings, and right here in the settings we need to find the audio emoji. So normally it's at the bottom right here, and here we can turn it off. As you guys can see now, we won't be able to express our emotions with those little tappable emojis. So when you're in a call with somebody and you have it enabled, then you can simply click on the laughing emoji for an example, and it will show it to the other person. But if you disable it, then it just won't work for you. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.